How to report a bug in Candy Crush Saga, game glitching, level not loading, time to report it and get support from King, the game developer. On the home screen, tap the gear icon in the corner to open the setting menu. Scroll down and tap Account and Help. Tap Help Center. This will take you to King's official support page inside the app or redirect you to the browser. Once in the Help Center, you can technical and connection issue or use the search bar. Choose the options. You will see the answer related to that question, or still need help, scroll down to the bottom and tap Contact Us. Enter your name and email address. Select the game Candy Crush Saga and select the issue and briefly describe the bug or issue and then tap Submit. And you are done. King support team will usually respond to email within a few days. And that's it. Now you know how to report bugs in Candy Crush Saga like a pro. Got a bug story? Share it in the comment. Like if this helped you. Subscribe for more sweet Candy Crush tips. See you in the next one.